Thank you, Ekta, and thank you, Thai Women, for giving me this opportunity. Uh, to introduce my company, actually, I started my journey as a PhD student, regular student after my master's. But however, during my journey, I could identify or discover some of the molecules which are really doing good. But as all academicians end up, it has just gone for a publication. But now I see that just publication is not a matter. We need to, like, if we see drug discovery in India, we are mostly into bulk drug manufacturers, but not into drug discovery as such. COVID vaccinations are the one which really put India on top, where we say that we have discovered, we have invented something. So, but drug discovery in academicians is a part of their research, but however, we don't take it forward. So with that aim, I actually started my company as Genia Biosciences, where it is preclinical, I say, and early preclinical. The reason being when we go for a really drug discovery, which costs a lot, for academicians, especially for the PhD students or small companies where they are looking for, where they are synthesizing molecules for a given target for a disease, they are unable to go for a big companies for screening. So that is where I say that with my experience of 20 years journey in drug discovery, I say that my company will be very helpful during early preclinical stage where they need not spend much money on GLP certified laboratories or something like that. At the same time, my company is also involved in identifying solutions for drug resistance, where we have two patents published in Indian Patent Office right now currently, and we are waiting for, one is waiting for granting. But we are looking for drug discovery solutions, especially in drug resistant cases, either it is infectious diseases, that is for antimicrobial resistance, or for cancer chemo resistance. So we are looking in that. But at this stage, my ask for Thai is like, because I'm coming from an academic background, yes, I have started a company to be an entrepreneur. The only reason being where I can share my expertise or give my expertise and experience to the people who suffered like me during their PhDs. But at the same time, I'm at a junction where I do not know how to take my molecules, whatever I have discovered, to take it forward. So my ask for Thai is, can I have a mentor who can really guide me through taking my molecules to the next stage of drug discovery, and networking where I can, and as well as investors who can invest in this area of drug resistance and take the molecules forward for further clinical studies. So these are my two asks, and I'm really fortunate that somehow I got tied up with Thai. Otherwise, because it's my entrepreneurial journey, I have started from scratch. I'm doing everything. Setting up a company was easy, just paying an amount to a CA, but otherwise it was difficult. So these are my asks. Thank you.